subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes after the cameras stop rolling on reality TV shows? Lauren Manzo, once a star on Real Housewives of New Jersey, recently shared some news that might surprise her fans. It seems that her marriage with Vito Scalia is officially over, finalized some months ago. A report from Daily Mail revealed that a judge finalized the divorce between Caroline Manzo and Albert Manzo. In November 2024, the settlement includes joint legal custody of their 7-year-old daughter, Marchesa. Manzo will receive $1,000 in child support each month, plus $4,000 in limited duration alimony for about 27 months. In return, she gained ownership of the shared New Jersey home, minus Scalia's belongings. Their story began in July 2015 when Manzo and Scalia tied the knot on Mans. Initially, whispers of a split surfaced in 2017 as Scalia faded from Manzo's social media. In 2019, Manzo declared their relationship perfect. But by 2023, the Sun published divorce papers citing irreconcilable differences. Manzo addressed the news in an October 2023 Instagram video, assuring everyone everything was fine, emphasizing their focus on their daughter's well-being. Manzo and Scalia's main priority has always been Marchesa's contentment and health. They've maintained a respectful distance from the spotlight, avoiding public appearances for 7 years. This decision was made to protect their daughter's privacy, not hers. Moving forward, they'll continue to prioritize their daughter above all else. As for Scalia, he's been dating wellness coach Dominique Valenti since August 2023. It seems even after the divorce, he's found a new chapter, just like Manzo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.